Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wix website fit beautifully across all screen sizes. So whether someone visits from a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone, your site looks clean, readable, and professionally designed. A responsive-looking site isn't about luck. It's about intentionally previewing different screen widths and making small but meaningful adjustments that keep everything aligned, balanced, and easy to interact with. Start by opening your site inside the Wix editor. At the top of the editor, you'll find options that allow you to switch between different screen sizes. Think of these presets like viewing your website through different window sizes. Each one reveals how your layout adjusts and helps you catch anything that doesn't quite fit. Each one gives you a new perspective on how your layout behaves at that specific width. As you move between them, pay close attention to how your content shifts, especially in key sections like your header, hero area, and any text-heavy blocks. As you go through each size, begin fine-tuning your layout. If you notice headlines breaking awkwardly, you can either widen the container slightly or reduce the font size just enough to improve readability. Images should always stay proportional. So if they overflow or look stretched, resize them carefully and keep them aligned with surrounding elements. Buttons and forms are especially important. Make sure they're large enough to tap comfortably on smaller screens and that no text gets cut off. Spacing is another detail that makes a huge difference. Look at the gaps between sections and ensure there's consistent padding throughout your page. Nothing should feel cramped or uneven. As you adjust elements, try to maintain a clear visual hierarchy. Strong headings, supportive text underneath, and a clear call to action. This helps users quickly understand your content no matter what device they're using. Take advantage of Wix's alignment guides to keep everything centered and evenly spaced. On smaller screens, avoid squeezing too many elements into a single row. Instead, stack them vertically. It usually looks cleaner and improves readability. If you want even more control, you can enter custom screen dimensions to preview how your site behaves at specific widths. This is especially useful if you want to test edge cases, like very narrow or extra wide displays. As you test smaller sizes, check that text remains readable and buttons stay accessible. On larger sizes, make sure your design doesn't feel empty or stretched out. Work your way through each preset, make thoughtful adjustments, and revisit any sections that still feel off until everything looks consistent and polished. Once your site feels comfortable and visually balanced across all screen sizes, you're all set. You now have a Wix website that adapts smoothly and confidently to any device your visitors use. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.